here at Zabriskie Point in Death Valley, and today is the first day that we've had beautiful, clear, sunshiny day. So we're gonna go hiking, and we're very excited because most of the park has been flooded and this part is open still, so we just can't wait to go on this hike. We've been hearing so many good things about how beautiful it is, and as you can see from the pictures, it really is breathtaking. But something that's really awesome about this hike is that they let you walk on top of the dunes. So most of the trails you're actually walking on top of the dunes, which is actually pretty amazing. So one of the things that I really wanted to do when we got to Death Valley was go to Saltwater Basin, but unfortunately because of the rain and all the flooding, they had closed that part of the park down. So we were waiting really patiently, and we decided to go up and see it from up high before we went in person. We have been waiting how many days? Like 2 or 3 days basically since we got here to come see this. This is Badwater Basin in Death Valley, and it's been closed because of the rain. We're so excited. They said it wouldn't be open till the end of the day. It is now 4:26. The road to Badwater Basin was just so beautiful. You could see the saltwater flats starting to pop up on the right side of the car. We were so excited, we couldn't wait to get there. We made it. So the video here gets pretty windy, but basically at one point this whole entire area used to be a really big lake, and when it dried up it left behind the salt. So every once in a while it'll rain and it'll kind of flood, and then once that water evaporates, the salt will come back and rest on top of the sand again. that's just so neat how the salt settles on the dirt and it just creates this crust of layers and layers of salt. And you can kind of see just like how deep it actually goes. Here there's like a little, almost like a salt cavern. I was just fascinated. This was actually on our way out of the park, and we just thought it was so pretty. All this cracked sand that happens right after it rains. It just was like one of the coolest things to photograph. So we just stopped on the side of the road and started taking photographs and making videos. You can see just like the scenery around us was so breathtakingly beautiful. We honestly, we barely made it out of the park without stopping at least 10 times. And here's some of the photographs that I got from this beautiful cracked sand. Just as we were about to leave the park, we look over and we see some more salt flats. So we decided we would get out of the car and go walk out on them one last time. Overall, I would say we had a really great time. This is one of these places that you must see. Death Valley, although you wouldn't think it, is full of life, and it is just a gorgeous place to take pictures. The sceneries are breathtaking, and there were a couple places that we didn't get to see because of the flooding, but we were there for about 5 days. And we were there in the winter. The temperatures were just awesome. It's definitely a place we would go back. If you've never been to Death Valley, Definitely put it on your bucket list. It's worth it.